Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change candle color in the MetaTrader 5 mobile application. If you want to customize your MetaTrader 5 mobile chart for better visibility, changing the candle colors is one of the easiest improvements you can make. First of all, launch open MetaTrader 5 application on your device and log in. From the main homepage or the Codes tab of MetaTrader 5, tap on any currency pair, crypto pair or asset to open up its chart screen. In the pop-up, click on Chart, and then, once you're inside the chart page, go ahead and tap on anywhere in the chart and click on Settings. Now, you will be able to see this charts menu from where you can click on candlesticks and then scroll all the way down and tap on colors. Now select from the several options that are bull candle, bear candle, bar upper, bar down, and etc. Tap the each option to set your preferred color. For example, if you want to change the color for bear candle, tap on bear candle and select the color, and then you'll be able to change the bear candle color. Similarly, go ahead and choose other colors for your candles. Tap on each option and select your preferred color. And once you are done making the changes, you can then get back to the charts page. And once you get to the chart screen, you will see that your color has been changed according to your preference. Your MetaTrader 5 chart now has a customized candle colors that matches your trading style. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.